What's your name?
Tyson. Yep.
My medic. Hey everybody, Eric Steele here, Outdoor Retailer Summer Market 2022. I'm with Tyson Farr from My Medic out of Salt Lake City, North Salt Lake City, and I have this. I've gotten first aid training. I've been first aid certified a couple times. You have to keep it current to actually have it. So mine's lapsed and it's no longer current, but I've had the training a number of times, and one of the things that's always kind of struck me is that if you want the material that you need to handle a deal with a trauma, you're not going to get that if you go into Walgreens and just buy a first aid kit. And Tyson, I was hoping you could talk a little bit about your trauma bag, trauma kit, and what it offers and why that's unique, especially if you're doing outdoor rec type stuff.
Thanks, guys. Like Eric said, my name's Tyson. I'm with My Medic. I'm showcasing our Trauma First Aid Kit, or TFAC for short. This thing comes hand-packed from the United States with only the best trauma items available currently on the market. As you can see, it's a very nice, slick bag design. Right on the very front, you have a tearaway pouch that's going to have a RATS tourniquet inside of it. Very fast, very effective tourniquet. Then getting inside the kit, you're going to have a quick clot, pressure bandage, tools like sutures, a pen light to check if somebody has a concussion. You're going to have NPAs, chest seals, a pair of gloves, a space blanket to keep the individual warm, compressed gauze, saline solution, and a Sharpie, all in one bag. It goes over the MARCH principles. It stands for massive hemorrhage, airway, respiratory, circulation, and hypothermia. So that's a military acronym, and these items inside cover all of those. Best part about our gear and about what we do is we believe that you can't have the gear without the training. You buy one of these kits, it comes with free training on how to use every single one of these items.
That's fantastic. That's really good to know. And that's through My Medic as well.
That's correct.
All the training on that.
Yep. Done by a Green Beret Army medic, free training. It's phenomenal. Goes over all those individual acronyms for March.
It looks like a very well thought out product, probably designed by people who are in the industry.
Correct.
And can you tell me a little bit more about My Medic, and also if people want to find out more about this?
So My Medic is a trauma first aid kit company that specializes in empowering everyone with the proper gear and training to save a life. We started out of a tragic accident that took the life of a family member 10 years ago, and since then our mission has always been to just make sure that the everyday consumer is prepared for the everyday emergency.
Awesome. Well, it looks like a very well thought out kit. It reminds me of the kit that came with, I have a Roadster, and the Roadster has a trauma kit that comes with it.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, so that kind of made me think about that.
Yeah, this is just one of several of our options that we have, so feel free to check us out, mymedic.com.
All right, thank you for your time, Tyson.
You're welcome.
All right, bye.